Hi crafty friends, Melissa Minor here. Thanks so much for joining me on my YouTube channel. Today I'm creating a layout using the September 2025 main kit from My Creative Scrapbook, and this month the kit is filled with the Simple Stories collection called Book Fair. So I thought it was a perfect collection to document the photo that I'm going to show you in just a moment. Now let's go ahead and get started, and I'm using the sketch that came included in my kit. And this sketch has 3 photos, but I only have one 4x6 photo, but I'm going to try to make this work. Here's the photo that I want to scrapbook, and this is my daughter Tatum in 1st grade. And look at her little paper doll. She said she put red lipstick on it just like mommy. I mean, this is adorable. I can't believe I haven't scrapbooked this yet. She's going to be a junior this year, and I'm just now scrapping this 1st grade memory. But when I saw this collection, I knew it was the perfect time to document this photo. Now I've pulled out 3 pattern papers from the collection that I want to use. And the reason I'm using the yellow, there's a little bit of like yellow in her shirt, and I thought that yellow would look nice. And then I thought this teal coordinated well. The polka dots has the teal, the yellow, all of that in it. So these are the 3 pattern papers I chose. For my background page, I did gut that yellow piece. So I cut that from 1 inch to 11 inch all the way around to cut out the center. And then I have a piece of 11.5 by 11.5. No, I believe it's 11 by 11. It might be 11 by 11, it might be 11.5 by 11.5. Sorry, I did not remember to measure that. But anyway, I did distress the edges all the way around, and I adhered those together. Now I'm going to map my photo here on this blue pattern paper following along with the sketch. I'm just going to cut a little bit of this off. I'm not really doing any measuring. I am just placing my photo on here and seeing how wide I think that needs to go from the sketch. I'm going to do the same thing with this yellow polka dot paper. I want to go ahead and just grab a pencil here and mark where I think that I need this. Now looking at this sketch, this yellow polka dot piece doesn't go as far down as the teal piece. It kind of just stops right before it. So I'm going to go ahead and mark some lines here and then bring in my paper trimmer, and we will get this cut down. Now all of these pieces, I will end up distressing the edges, but I do that off camera. I don't make you watch me do that. And I just have a little edge distressing tool. It makes it super easy to distress all the edges. So let's take a look. I've got this blue pattern paper. I've got the polka dots. And yeah, I think that looks like the sketch, but I'm not super happy with the way my photo looks on there. It's just not popping like I want it to. So I think I want to bring in a photo mat to just make that photo pop a little more. So off camera, I did end up matting my photo with some of the yellow pattern paper that I used for the background. That was the piece that I used that I got from the center. So I glued that photo on there, and yeah, I think that's what it needed. So I'm going to go ahead and glue this down. Now this layout comes together so quickly because using a sketch, I think, just really jump starts the creativity. It takes a lot of the guesswork out of it for you, and it gives you that jumping off point that you need. Now looking at the sketch, it looks like there's a little tag coming out from the side. So now I have to decide which tag that I want to use. I do love this collection that there's so many tags. I'm thinking maybe this striped one, but I'm not quite sure on it. I can also use the reverse side of these. I think that stripe's a little too wild. I do like this orange one, but I'm not sure about that center piece. I'm not sure what I want to use on it. So I don't know if either of these tags are going to work. I'm just thinking about it here. I keep going back and forth. I love the orange color. So let me look through the tags just a little while longer and see if I can find one that works. In the meantime, I need to start thinking about my title and what I want to use for that. I do love the school days title. I ended up picking a tag from the tag sheet on the reverse side of them, like the B side, that just has the color at the top, and then it has like a notebook grid paper for the rest of it. I used my dies from my stash and I cut out an orange circle because I really did want that orange over there. So I cut out an orange circle from my stash following along with the sketch, and I love the way that looks. So that was just what it needed. Now you'll notice I am gluing all of these pieces together, and that's in case I want to add some mixed media. That way this whole piece is mobile and I can lift it up as needed. Ta-da! I did a lot of things off camera. I had some thoughts here and I didn't record it, but I have the school days title just kind of sitting there. I picked out an apple for the right-hand side and a pencil. I added some apples to the top. Now I'm going to add some little, these are little, what do you call those, flashcards? I think those look cute and remind me of the first grade. And at the bottom left cluster there on my tag, I've got school rules. This desk is just too cute, and since the picture is showing her with her little paper bag doll at the desk, I thought I had to use that. It's missing something over here on the right cluster. I'm going to add this cute little clock or bell. So I'll add that. Let me just tuck it in here. And I think this layout is about finished. I do need to glue everything down and add some mixed media. I found a little wordy bit sticker on the sticker sheet, and this one says, "You're so smart," which, you know, in first grade, they think they're so smart, and she is super smart, so that fits. So I have that. Most of these I'm sticking right to the layout. I'm not using a lot of foam. I did add this little pencil on the left and this little book to the desk. So I like the way all of that looks. I did go ahead and stick down my title. I committed to that. So I used that puffy sticker. Now I want to bring in some mixed media. Oh, let me add a bow here. So I used some red and white twine, and I'm going to glue that down with some liquid glue. So no tag should be left naked. Now the mixed media I'm bringing in, it's a Vibes. It's from Shimmer's Paints, and it's the color Mustard Seed. And I just want to do some splattering. Now I want to mention I am also on the Shimmer's Paints design team, so if you ever place an order on the Shimmer's Paints website, you can add my name, Melissa Minor, to the notes section, and Shimmers will send you a free paint. I will have all the details listed down below in the description box to the My Creative Scrapbook website. We also have a Facebook community, and the My Creative Scrapbook has so many different kits. We've got this is the main kit. They've also got a limited edition kit, an album kit, and a creative kit, so they're sure to have a kit to fit your needs. I love the way this mixed media looks over here. I'm still thinking if it needs something else, and I think it does. There are these cute little stars on the sticker sheet, so I'm going to add 3 to this lower left section and 2 to the upper right, and I think that's just what it needed to finish that off. Now looking at the layout, I thought it was complete, but then I added a few more things. I added a little tab and another sticker that says, "What a great day." Now the sketch doesn't show a banner piece on here, but I think I'm going to go ahead and add this, and that's going to be the finishing touch that it needed. So if you've enjoyed this video, please hit that thumbs up button. If you're new, I hope you'll subscribe and come back. If you don't already follow me on Facebook and on Instagram, I would love for you to follow me on those platforms as well. I'll have all the links that you need listed down below in the description box. Thanks so much for watching today, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!